you my childhood school days. My daily routine at school. When I was on shift, I used to wake up early every morning to get ready for the school. My routine was simple but involved. I put on my uniform. I ate breakfast quickly and rushed out the door. Those mornings have stayed in my memory as part of a fun and active time in my life. Friends and adventures. At school, I used to speed recess with my friends. We played games, laughed all the time, and created special memories. Don't one day I tripped and fell out instead of crying. My friends helping me up and we all laughed. That moment has stayed with me and live always remember what supportive and keen they were. My school days have been full of adventures and joy, and it was always sharing